It does. It knows. Because I had to make sure I got the right door.
Brain freeze. July 1st.
On your way there.
It's never too late.
Hello.
For a second chance.
If you're going to impress the teacher, you'll need a new look. My boyfriend's here. Put your pants back on.
These are a little tight. Larry Crown. First. This copyrighted broadcast of the National Association. Transmitted and produced free broadcast otherwise distributed or used in any form without the express written consent of the NBA.
Otis eating a Cheeto.
Right? Marshall, zoom in on it.
I gotta get some milk.
It's stuck right there. You hear it? It's the.
Make him like wait and stuff.
Wait, sit. Sit down. Sit.
Make him start drooling.
He's like, I want it.
Throw it up in the air and he'll jump.
You gonna eat the bone, Otis? Yeah.
Sit. You good boy? Are you a good boy? Yep. Give me your paw. Wait. Hey, give me your paw. Give me your other paw. Other paw. Wait. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Hey, give me a kiss. Thank you.
Dude, wait, did you see his face?
Now you wait. You wait. You wait. No, I said wait. Wait.
Oh my god.
Wait, Bubbles. Go ahead. Good boy.
Hey, dude. Get out of here with your face, dude. How was your day at work?
Honestly, shit day, but it turned out well, man.
Dude, knock it off the paint. I mean, the tape.
Alex, step to my finger.
You need to knock it off.
That was Otis eating the bone of some pork. Poor piggy.